Hello, my name is Johannes, and in this video I would like to present you my new book about profile zone and order flow analysis for stocks. This project took some time because in the beginning I could not find an order flow software delivering me a sufficient data feed of a great number of stocks and other filter features I use in my book. Finally, this year I met the developers of the Go charting software, and they offered me to include the order flow of more than 500 US stocks and ETFs in their software, and some other filters I use in my book. For those who might be interested to apply a profile zone and order flow analysis on stocks, I will go through parts of this book now. This book consists of more than 220 charts, and a great deal of emphasis was placed on a detailed table of contents to provide a good orientation. It starts with a few fundamental remarks, a brief review of the US stock market and its current structure, and a classification of market participants. The practical part of the book starts with the technical tools. At first, I explain the most important terms. After that, the different types and profile structures are described in more detail. The next part is dedicated to VWAPs. These can provide helpful information about the activities of institutional market participants. Here you see a chart of a large US stock on which an anchored VWAP was able to locate exactly the end of a correction. In the next part of the technical tools, the order flow is presented as an important timing instrument, showing the inside of a chart. Furthermore, hidden divergences are explained and delta profiles are presented. The following chapter 8 takes a closer look at the most important structure of the market, namely trading ranges, because this is where the future market direction of a stock is decided. A few general guidelines are given here about how to localize and map trading ranges, evaluating breakouts, how to deal with long-term and overlapping trading ranges, and many parallel zones. Chapter 9 of the book deals with short-term stock trading because there are not only long-term oriented players in the market. In the important Chapter 10, all technical tools are summarized on the basis of individual stocks, big caps, mid caps and small caps, starting from the broader perspective to the last analytical step, the order flow analysis. The second part of the book deals with fundamental filters, which are incorporated graphically and can play an important role. Important marginal factors are explained here, which can provide clues when a change in market direction is imminent in certain key zones. Oil stocks can be highly volatile. For this reason, a special chapter is dedicated to this sector. The latter part of the book includes, among other important things, a number of extensive analysis approaches for the gold price and mining stocks. The filters presented here have been developed over more than 20 years of observation and have stood the test of time. The book concludes with a few thoughts on hedging strategies, a chapter on the crypto market, and a bibliography